Hi, today we have Ford Focus. I'm going to show you how to change front brake pads. I'm going to raise the vehicle, remove two front wheels. Now we can see the brake pads. We can see they are almost at the end. And I'm going to take a large screwdriver. I'm going to release the metal spring. And after that I'm going to return the brake piston inside the brake caliper. I'm placing the screwdriver over here and I'm going to remove the metal spring, and then I'm going to put into the disc and slowly return the piston of the brake caliper. This can be done also with a special tool. Remove the brake caliper and return it with a special tool. It can be done on both ways. Now I'm going to remove the plastic caps, and I need a 7mm hex wrench to open the bolts that hold the brake caliper. I have to return the bolts a little so I can remove the brake caliper easily. Now I can remove the brake pads. For the other one I'm gonna need both hands, I think. I will try. I'm gonna need both hands. Here we have the old brake pads. Here we have the new one. We have one with a metal spring and the other one for the brake piston. I'm installing the brake pads on the brake caliper, and now I can install the brake caliper into its position. That will be something like this, and I can return the bolts that hold the brake caliper in its place. Have to be very careful with these bolts because they can easily damage. After tightening the brake caliper into its place, I'm returning the plastic caps. So now I have to return the metal spring. Push it like this, and I can install the wheel on this side, and I have to repeat the same procedure on the other side. Because it's the same, I'm going to shorten the video a little and skip some parts. I'm finished on this side. I'm going to install the wheel and lower the vehicle. The vehicle is on the ground. So first, before you start driving the vehicle, I suggest you to press the brake pedal a couple of times until the brake pedal hardens and returns to its normal position. And now I can start the engine. Now the vehicle is safe for driving. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.